case series presentation is to study the efficacy of ischemia reversal therapy with portion control diet plan for plaque regression. Introduction. The annual number of deaths from CAD in India is projected to rise from 2.26 million to 4.77 million. India currently has the highest burden of acute coronary syndrome. This puts the additional burden on the country economy and call for need to develop effective and economic treatment measure. Since I have selected this topic, case detail observational study at Madhavbag Chandrapur Clinic, August 2020 to September 2021. Sample size is 3. Age group is 43 to 83 years male patient, and BP BMI about 20, abdomen girth 80 to 120, and all parameters 90 days. Patient history. My first case is 48 years male patient, known case of CAD, ISD and MI. The patient, history of patient suffered from January 2019 paralytic episode, and baseline complaint is chest pain, left arm pain, and dyspnea and exertion. Case 2, 43 years of male, CAD, ISD and MI. Patient come DOE and chest pain, history DM, and third is 83 years old male, known case of unstable angina, ischemic metastasis and MI. Patient complaint, fullness of abdomen, facial edema, chest pain, DOE. Patient vitals, case 1, case 2, case 3, VO2 max, BMI and VO2 max, BMI, abdomen girth, all vitals. P value is improved in all vitals in all 3 cases. Pathophysiology, we all aware about the pathophysiology. First is endothelial dysfunction seen, and then plaque formation. We have to plan IRP therapy, ischemia reversal therapy, reverse of pathophysiology. What is ischemia reversal therapy? Ischemia reversal therapy is a centripetal oleation, per rectal drug administration, thermal vasodilation, and per rectal drug administration. Most important therapy is a per rectal drug administration. In this therapy, we have to use three medicine like triglycerides, anti-inflammatory effect, curcuma longa, anti-dilatory effect, and third medicine is a Phyllanthus umbilica, which is reduce the oxidative stress. Most important is a diet plan with the help of dietitian. The portion control diet. Portion control diet contains low carb, low calorie, moderate protein, moderate fat, and greater than 50,000 ORAC value. So high vitamin C and high vitamin E. Contain is atta, lentil dal, cardiac tea, kokum soup, and most important is a madho brush, which is already research proved healthier for our heart health. Medicine taper down, and all medicines are withdrawal. Plaque volume, case 1, case 2, case 3, in all 3 patients, LCA, LCX and RCA. All 3 branches and all 3 cases, plaque regression seen. Next, average BMI reduction also, case 1, case 2, case 3, in all 3 patients, we have to see BMI also improved. Average vitals, all vitals are improved.
Kindly come to conclusion.
Result, plaque reduction is of 540.83 to 209.1 mm, means 61% plaque reduction. Conclusion, the mean baseline total atheroma value before treatment is 540.83 mm and after treatment is 209.1 mm, means total plaque reduction is 331.73 mm. P value is 0.0136 and BMI is also 25 to 23 p-value is a 0.0394. This difference is considered to be statistically significant. Thus, we can conclude that ISP treatment and portion control diet box is effective for plaque reduction. Thank you.
Comment, but I would like to congratulate you on for the 2 points. The first is the effort that you have taken to show such good clinical outcome in all the 3 patients. Because CAD is a progressive condition, and in such condition you have shown the plaque can be reduced by the 60%, and that is with the very accurate parameter that is CT coronary angiography. So congratulations for that.